face the right here in overhand with the right foot forward in the T stance. And then let's start with a sweep back, come out underhand on your left. And then we're going to sweep up and over, come out and overhand on your right, and sweep back again. And now this time when you come up, turn halfway. As your fingers hit your shoulder, come into that together time corkscrew or pinwheel if you can, and then come down. And so when you're here, thumbs up, hit your shoulder, then both arms come front, back in together time, and then down on the right. So just your right hand here, overhand. Sweep back. Okay, now I want you to actually do that thumbs up thing. And I want you to actually hit your shoulder and then go back to front, keeping your hand right above your shoulder, and see if that helps you. Oh, yes, yes. Now come down on your right in overhand and sweep back again. And again, we'll do the thumbs up, hit your shoulder, keep your hand right above your shoulder as you go back to front. Turn right, come down into overhand. That's beautiful. Come down on the right. Okay, now with both hands, let's try it with both. Sweep back. And then we're going to be underhand here, thumbs up again, touch your shoulder, and then front to back, trying to keep the two hands right over your shoulder if you can't do it right over the crown. Okay, so from here, double stall, come out underhand, and sweep up over the top. Okay, and sweep back. Okay, now, thumbs up, keep your hands low and tight, sweep over the top, but hit your shoulder. I want you to actually review this with the thumbs up, hitting your shoulder, low and tight, coming over the top. So low sweep, thumbs up, sweep over the top, hitting your shoulder. Low sweep, thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now this time we'll do the low sweep. Then when you get here, thumbs up, hit your shoulder, then back to front or front to back in that tight movement, and then come down and overhand. Let's do your left hand first. In overhand, we'll sweep back. Now we're going to do the thumbs up drill that we just did with on the other side. Hit your shoulder, then turn, and then put your hand right above your shoulder as you do the pinwheel. And then come down on the left and overhand. And then we'll sweep back again. And then you're going to thumbs up again, touch the shoulder, front to back, front to back, front to back. Turn left, come down, overhand on your left side. And sweep back again. Thumbs up, touch your shoulder, and then go front to back, to front, to back, to front, to back, turning left, coming down, overhand on the left-hand side. Then your right hand alone, and we'll do the same drill. Sweep back, come out underhand, thumbs up, you're gonna touch your shoulder, and then go front to back, your hand right over the shoulder itself, turning left, coming down into overhand, and sweep back, come out underhand, thumb is up, touch your shoulder as you turn to the front, and go back to front, and turning left, coming down into overhand on the left side. And we'll do it one more time, sweep back, underhand, thumbs up, touch your shoulder, half turn to the front, into your pinwheel, right over the shoulder, nice and low and tight, elbows bent, turning left, come into overhand. And now with both hands, we're gonna try the same thing again. We'll do the sweep back, keep it low and tight. Now, both thumbs up, come up, touch your shoulder, try and keep it right over each shoulder in your together time pinwheel. And then, all right, so we're overhand here. Sweep back. And thumbs up, keep your hands low and tight, keep the elbow bent, come into your pinwheel, either together time or split time, whichever one feels good, and then come down on your left. First, remembering the elbow should be bent. Second, remember the hands should be trying not to drift as far front as they are, because as they drift front, what ends up happening is your angle is doing this as opposed to this. For homework, one of the things that I want you to play with is, as you're practicing sweeping up into your pinwheel, I want you to go between these. So this is your same direction, and I'm sorry, this is, well, it is same direction, but at the same time, and then I want you to split. And then I want to go back. I want you to go back to same time. And then for homework, I want you to try and practice these extensions, both in split time and together time, and then connect it back into the chasing the sun, doing all of the versions, right? So this is me going into together time, then chase the sun. Split time, then chase the sun. Together time, big, and then chase the sun. And then split time, big, chase the sun. I didn't do that one quite right. So split time big, down to chase the sun. And then I want you to do that in both directions, right? So this is together time in the other direction, split time in the other direction, together time big in the other direction, and split time big in the other direction. And then connect it, chase the sun up to together time, chase the sun up to split time, chase the sun up to together time big, and then chase the sun up to split time big, and down.